Welcome to another Java tutorial. Let's look at this last program. We are calling display message and we have to pass in the name of the course every single time. That's not too useful for an object. We should only need to pass this in once and then we can call the display message as many times as we'd like. And if we look at the class here, it just takes this course name, prints it out, and then throws it away. So we would like to make this class more useful, so that's this lesson. We need to create a new class. This is figure 3.7. Okay, so what we've done here is we've created a private variable. We're calling it course name, and this will store the parameter that's passed in. That way we can reuse it later on. Notice we've added a couple more methods. This one will allow us to change the course name, and this one will allow us to retrieve the course name. You can't retrieve the course name by just using the identifier because this is labeled as private. And one reason for making things private is that you can do some modification to the course name or some checking with the course name before allowing the user to set it or get it. Okay, we need our test class, so that's figure 3.8. Okay, so we're doing pretty much the same thing as last time. And instead of passing the course name into display message, we pass the course name into the set course method. So let's just run this. Okay, when we look at the initial value of course name, it's null. It's set to nothing when we instantiate a new gradebook, because there's nothing in here that would actually initialize it. Okay, so let's enter the course name. And again, it prints with the display message. This time, if we duplicate display message, we're not passing in the course name. And it prints it out twice. So that's a much more efficient use of the class. It takes a little bit more setup, but it's more useful in the long run. And that's it for this lesson.